What's up, guys? So in today's video, I am gonna make the third part of my favorite game about Rubik's cubes, Rubik's Match. And I'm also recording. So like last time, we played and I think we unlocked a new island. I think it was called Rubik's Match. I mean, no, not Rubik's Match. I think it was called Ghost Town. And I'm also recording on my mom's phone right now, and so hopefully it's an Apple, so hopefully it will be better print. Because someone commented that you should make a better print on like screencasts and records. So yeah, so let's go in. Oh wait, you want to see the intro? Yeah, I was just looking at my video so far. Okay. Yeah. Alright, so this was the island we've made so far. Okay, and so let's just hop right in. I don't think I'm gonna waste any of my 1x1s or 2x2s, but I don't have any snakes yet. But I'm gonna have it in like 1 minute. Okay, next up. Okay. 2x2. No, I'm gonna go on 2x2. Okay. Snake. I'm outside again. It's just really funny how I keep saying it every time in my screencasts. Start off. No, I don't want it. X. So, yeah. Let's go. Let's hop right in. Let's play again. Oh yeah, and we got the snake. I missed that. No. Alright. Let's do that. With 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 that, with that, with that, with that. Yeah, I'm totally gonna lose. Hopefully I win. Alright then, let's just do that. Let's go. Congratulations. Yay. Missions. Create 10 power-ups. Okay, I guess I need to beat one more level, and I'm not doing the math right now. Okay. Should I do it? Wait, have I ever got any golden of those Rubik's cubes? What is it? What's an oven? Oh, yes! I'm really lucky I did the golden thing. Wait, will I get new things? Oh, actually, that's really cool. Alright, I guess there's nothing in there. Let's just play. Let's get a free head start, a snake. Let's use that snake. Focus. I don't know anything about this, but like it's about gaming, so I have to play a while. Yeah. Oh no, I'm going for my video's going for. There's a car. Whoa, can't cars go faster? Okay, now a garage is going to open. I'm getting out of here. Let's use my shovel. 2x2. Alright. And I just need one more subscriber to get 60 subscribers, so please, at least one of you, please subscribe. Should I create anything? Is that a good thing? Yeah. I beat it up 2 levels. Daily missions. Oh, they're daily. Oh. Okay, now let's go right here. Oh man. Alright, so I have 12 of those chest things, 21 of those boards, and 19 of those batteries. Okay, let's do that. Then that. I'm trying to focus right now. $15 more of those batteries? The sledgehammer is really... Okay. 3 more of those batteries. Alright, and 2 more of those things. Out of moves, like I only had 1 more. Yeah, I don't have enough. I'll lose 57 of them? Oh, that's totally not fair. Okay, I'm taking a 1 by 1. Whoa. I'm sorry, guys. 2x2s are really useless now. 1x1s are way better than 2x2s. I mean, like, they only get the most from the fronts. I'm getting angry, so that's why I'm trying to end this game. Yep. That's how you do it. That's me. Bum, 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 bum. Alright. Congratulations. Alright. Did I get anything in here? What's in the chest? Anything in the chest? What's in memories? What is it? I clicked, what is it? What does that do? Microwave. Into... No, I don't have enough coins for that. Alright, let's play this. Whoa, I almost dropped the phone. Let's play this last level and then... Oh, that's only one? That's actually really nice. It's also one. And that's one. Two. I'm building a lot of things. Stage completed? Wait, did I already... No, wait, did I already get the fog out of here? What? What? I'm so happy. Wait. Alright. I'm happy. You know what? Let's go 2 more levels up. 2 more levels. I'm sorry guys, if you're getting bored, you can end this video. I'm giving you an option. This video is really okay, I will use it. Oh, that did not. Whoa, why is this? Why is that top thing orange? Okay, I only have 4 moves. I don't think I'm gonna do it. Wait. Okay, I'm gonna do a 2x2. What? No, I was so close. Continue. I don't want to continue. I'm mad. I'm totally mad right now. When I fail a level, I get 2. I'm mad. I'm like really mad. I'm too mad. I'm so mad. I'm quiet mad. I am freezing mad. Wow. I'm actually kind of getting bored of this game. I'm just kidding. does this thing even lead to? Where's my choo-choo train? What? How did it end up all the way there? But, by the way, let's use our 2x2. Oh, look how many tiles that costs. How do you even, like, do this thing? Play this thing. I'm playing Wise and Boy. Don't distract me. Yuppie. Fine. Do you think I can do it? Yes, I can. Hopefully I can. Oh no, I can't. I don't know why I did this. Yeah, I'm not playing this game anymore. Alright, yeah, that's it for today's thing, guys. Yeah, I completed all my work missions. Yeah, so that's the end of this video. And yeah, this is my last part of the video, but I will still make shorts of my videos. And whenever I complete the whole game, I will still make a video about that. And yeah, let's see if I got anything. Seriously, okay, yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. See ya later, alligator.